Hey everybody, today I'm working on a Mazda CX9 and the guy brought in his own OPS switch. So here is a picture of the OPS switch, and this OPS switch is, if you go underneath the car, the oil filter's here. See that white connector right up there? That is where the OPS switch is. Everybody else is taking the fans out and going from the top, but I can get my hand in here, and I do believe I'm going to be able to get it unplugged and go from underneath. So if you have one of these, go from underneath. These radiator has a bunch of coolant hoses and wire harnesses and all sorts of stuff running over top of it. More of a pain. I think you should be able to get to it right from the bottom. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.